Hi everyone, greetings of the day. This is Krishna. This video is all about to create awareness and to inspire each other on Flag Day. 7th December of every year is followed as Flag Day of India. This video is dedicated to all the armed forces personnel who sacrificed their life, spent valuable time guarding borders and fighting against our enemies, whether it's land, water or air. Our country's security arena is because of armed forces who dedicate their lives protecting the nation. On August 28, 1949, Ministry of Defense set up a commission to look into the welfare of armed forces who are considered to be ISIS of our country. Later, on 7th December 1949, it was declared to follow the day as Flag Day of India. The main three purposes of celebrating Flag Day is to support families of our heroes who sacrificed their lives in war and to support the soldiers who became differently abled while fighting against enemies, and last but not least, to help personnel who are now retired from forces. The country's real heroes are the armed force personnel who risk their lives to protect our freedom and liberty we enjoy in a prosperous society. As a responsible citizen, the least we can do for our military men and women is to honor and be thankful for this courage and sacrifice. It takes a great amount of courage to protect Mother Nation in freezing cold of glacier of Himalayas, thick dense dangerous forest border in northeast, scorching heat of desert in northwest, and rough sea of widespread coastal borders, thus leaving their families behind. Our soldiers relentlessly work on front lines during natural calamities like floods and earthquakes. They had been rescuing lives and supplying food and water to affected citizens in extreme conditions. Under the Ministry of Defense, Department of Ex-Servicemen Association is continuously helping the families and education of children from the funds that is generated on Flag Day. Our military deserves to be honored and appreciated. As a responsible citizen, shall we give our supporting hands to raise funds generated by selling flags and donations?
Let's spread the word for the real heroes of our country.
Let's always keep in mind the challenges faced by our soldiers and give our helping hands as much as possible to encourage and motivate them to our best. So dear all, please contribute generously and spread the word so that the needy families get benefited. Jai Hind!